Some bombs cost more than a luxury mansion. Some cost as much as an entire warship. And a few were so powerful that one explosion could change the course of history. Here are some of the most powerful and expensive bombs ever created. One of the most famous non-nuclear bombs ever built is the GBU-43B Massive Ordnance Air Blast, often nicknamed the mother of all bombs. Developed by the United States, this massive weapon weighs more than 9,800 kilograms. When it detonates, it creates an enormous blast wave capable of flattening structures across a wide area. Each unit reportedly costs around $16 million, making it one of the most expensive conventional bombs ever produced. It was first used in combat in Afghanistan during the war in Afghanistan, where its massive shock wave was intended to destroy fortified positions. Another powerful weapon designed for a very different mission is the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator. Unlike bombs designed for surface blasts, this one is built to destroy underground targets. Weighing around 13,000 kilograms, the bomb is engineered to penetrate deep into reinforced structures before detonating. This makes it useful against hardened bunkers and heavily protected facilities. Because of its advanced design and specialized materials, each bomb is estimated to cost between $3 and $4 million. But the most powerful bomb ever created wasn't meant for combat at all. It was built as a demonstration of raw destructive capability during the Cold War. That bomb was the Tsar bomb, tested by the Soviet Union in 1961 over the remote Arctic region of Novaya Zemlya. The explosion produced the largest man-made blast in history. The mushroom cloud rose more than 60 kilometers into the atmosphere, and the shock wave was detected traveling around the planet multiple times. Although the exact cost of this experimental bomb was never publicly revealed, historians estimate that the research and testing program required tens of millions of dollars in Cold War funding. One of the most historically significant bombs ever used was the Little Boy, deployed during World War II over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. This weapon was developed as part of the massive scientific and military effort known as the Manhattan Project. While the bomb itself was a single device, the entire project cost around $2 billion in the 1940s, which would equal over $30 billion today. It was one of the most expensive scientific programs ever undertaken at the time. Another interesting example is the BLU-82 Daisy Cutter, a huge conventional bomb originally designed to clear helicopter landing zones in dense jungle. Weighing more than 6,800 kilograms, it creates a massive air blast capable of flattening trees and clearing large areas instantly. Each bomb cost roughly $27,000, which might sound relatively inexpensive compared to modern weapons, but its sheer size and explosive power made it extremely effective for its intended purpose. From experimental nuclear tests to massive conventional weapons, these bombs reveal just how far military technology has evolved. Their costs range from tens of thousands of dollars to tens of millions, and in some cases, entire national research programs worth billions.